Hello everyone, in this video we shall be discussing some interesting facts about the Harris hawk, a bird of prey which has revolutionised falconry in many parts of the world nowadays and is also one of the only truly social birds of prey in the world. Before we dive into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. The Harris hawk is found throughout North, Central and South America. Harris hawks are typically best recognised for inhabiting the Sonoran Desert of Arizona, where they are often seen perched on top of saguaro cacti. However, in Central and South America, Harris hawks are typically found in somewhat more